excellent job. I think one thing you talked about, John, is you think you had a weakness in speaking, but obviously, like you said, it's very self-perceived. You have a great presence up here, very natural. You had a great pace when you're speaking. You didn't speak too fast, didn't speak too slow. You had a pause, several pauses, which I know is tough for a lot of people, tough for me. So that's good to have, obviously, pauses so people kind of keep up and catch their breaths. And then on your first icebreaker, I noticed that you had great organization. You started off talking about Bernie Mac and his story about the Apollo, and he's not scared of you guys. And that was a great building up the story of the intrigue of like, where's this going? How does this relate to Dallas? And then all of a sudden you brought this up about how you're similar to the Bernie Mac in that you're not afraid. And then you went immediately into your story about your mentors and how they told you to increase your speaking ability, your ability to speak in front of a group, how you're afraid of that. And then you immediately followed up as your conclusion with your goals about what you want TGIF and Toastmasters to help you improve with. So obviously that was a great chronological progression and just a great organization. One thing I think you could improve one, but you did come out in front of the podium, which I know a lot of people have a hard time with, especially in the first speech. They hold the podium and lectern, I guess is what it's called, lectern, and they just hold on and afraid to get out in front of it. But you did that, and you also you kind of stood here, and one thing I noticed, and I know it says in the manual, it says don't worry about gestures, and you said that you had a hard time, or it's been a while since you've spoken in front of a big group. So one thing I did notice is that you stood here, feet shoulder width apart, and probably workout stance point, and then position on, but you just kind of rotated like this. You looked at everybody, and that was great to do eye contact, but your legs were locked. So one thing you kind of do is just kind of turn your whole body, and then kind of, not necessarily like, on a sway, but just kind of work on leg movements. But obviously that's very easy to do. And the one piece of advice I have is, obviously you want Toastmasters to help your inspiration, your ability to inspire people. To challenge yourself when giving next speeches to continue to work on the inspiration and choose topics that are challenge yourself, but that will also be able to improve that ability. So great job.